Hi everyone, I'm going to go over lesson 1 for week of 11-9. If you need help, please feel free to text us or sign up for office hours. You can contact us via email or our Google Voice number. Today you are going to complete an Edpuzzle, play a game about natural selection, and add some words to your vocab tracker. For this week, you will be able to develop an initial explanation of how variation and overproduction results in natural selection. Last unit, we learned about how traits are passed from one parent to offspring. This unit, we will learn about how certain traits can lead to higher fitness, the ability to survive and reproduce, and how organisms and other traits change over time. To watch the Edpuzzle, click on the image and open the link as shown. For the second step, you will be playing a game about moths. Please click here to open the game. While you're here, the game is going to ask you to choose a forest. You will be playing in both forests. So for now, I'm going to show you how to play in the light forest. You are an eagle and you are going to eat as many moths as you can that you see. When the timer is up, the game will give you information about the moth's population. First, you're going to play in the dark forest, answer these questions, and then you will play in the light forest and answer these two questions. At the bottom here, you will think about both forests and answer the questions below. For the last step, you will add these 3 new vocabulary words to your vocab tracker. And lastly, you will check your work and submit. Make sure that you have completed all the steps and that you highlight down here how long this lesson took you, and don't forget to click turn in.